pretty small. So Lalita and Sakhis have Samasneha, equal love for Radha and Krishna. The Manjaris have Radha Sneha Adik. We have Adik Mas, which is Purushottam month. Adik Mas, Adik means extra month, leap year we call it in English. So Adik means extra. They have extra affection for Radharani. They have more love. Manjaris have more love for Radhika than Krishna. And this kind of love is called Bhavalas. Rupa Goswami describes in Bhakti-rasamrita Sindhu. Sanchari Set Samona Va Krishna Ratya Suridrati Adika Pushyamana Ched Bhavalasi Tirute. So he explains two varieties. When the Sakhis love Radha as much as or less than Krishna, then their Sanchari Bhava is called Krishna Rati. But if they love Radhika more than they love Krishna, it's called Bhavalas Rati. The Manjaris have this Bhavalas Rati. So my Gurudev said that Bhavalas is a branch. Everyone has Madhura Rati, Krishna Rati, attachment love for Krishna, in the mode of Madhurya Rati, Amras love, and so the Manjaris. But they have a variety of Madhurya Rati called Madhura Rati. Some people say it's a Sthai Rati, but not all acharyas agree. My Guru doesn't say it's a Sthai Rati. So because they have Bhavalas, the Manjaris are happy only when Radha and Krishna are happy. They don't know anything else but that. That's amazing to think as a concept, that your whole life, your meditation, your art, your feelings, your actions, your dreams, is to make two people happy. They're not your family members. They're not your children, they're not your husband. There's no relation other than master and servant. But your whole life you exist to bring happiness to Radha and Krishna. It's pretty extraordinary. And people say they're selfless servants of humanity, but they have some motive to get some adoration or profit, or it makes them feel good, or whatever. The Manjaris don't care anything about their own feelings. They just care that their feelings are merged in Radha. It's called Tadbhavatmya. They're one with Radharani's heart and mind. One with Radharani's heart means the Manjaris don't have their own heart and mind. Their heart and mind is Radharani. It's just merging your whole identity in someone else. It's kind of like actors on a stage. They play some role. And the ideal way of being an actor or actress, or they're all called actors now, either gender is called actor in India. So the whole perfection, best actor loses his character, loses his heart, mind, everything in the character that they're playing. They become that character. That's the best actor. And they're the most convincing in the performance, because they just merge ego and prana and everything with whoever it is. Then they win awards for that, Academy Awards, because they're so good. So Manjaris are Academy Award winners because they're like Radharani clones, but they're not clones. It's amazing.